everybody. So finally got a nice not raining day, and I'm just gonna do a quick little maintenance wash on my truck here. So I'm currently testing a few coatings. This half of this panel, this door, and right under here where the TRD part is. We're currently testing the Undrdog light coating. I think I've said in a couple of videos, it's not an actual ceramic coating, it's actually a Teflon or PTFE based coating. So they don't really give a hardness rating, and it's a single layer application. It's supposed to last, they're saying up to 5 years. So for 50 bucks, you know, might as well try it. So so far I'm pretty impressed. I don't know if you guys saw my Instagram video yesterday, but I had a lot of pollen and stuff on this panel, and as the rain was hitting the vehicle, it was catching all the dirt and falling off, so I know the coating is pretty repellent. But we're going to do a rinse test real quick here, and just see how it looks. On the hood I have Undrdog light on that half, and then this half is just a it's the Extreme Solutions graphene coating, but I use the Undrdog quick detail to kind of top it up and see make it last a little bit longer, because I was starting to get a little, wasn't really beating that well, it was mostly sheeting. So let's start with the rinse. In case anyone's wondering, using the ultra foam wash from good old Max Shine. Use quite a bit of it. It's a little expensive to purchase as far as I'm going to use it for DJD, because I think this bottle was like $15 or $14 for 16 ounces, and I think you only need to use about 1 ounce or 2 ounces, but of course I was going a little heavy on the drop, but it's very liquidy. Not bad if you guys want to support them. It smells like Jolly Ranchers, the green flavor. So cleans well, rinses well, and it's not bad if you can get it. I just wish they made it in gallons if they're gonna keep selling it. So so what do we do here? So I polished off the Extreme Solutions graphene that was on here. This did about a year or so, and pretty happy with the performance. Obviously on the lower panels it started to you know, get clogged up, but you know, as long as you cleaned it up real good, you didn't have any problems. So that gets a thumbs up right now. So I polish that off and I put on the newer what's called the glassparency ceramic coating. So they have a glassparency coating now. They had a graphene one, I think, that came out later last year, and I'm pretty happy with that, so I figured, hey, I'll try that. I got approved for the wholesale program that they have. I recommend you guys sign up for that if you are looking to save some money on products. And they have kits you can get that come with the transparency warranty if you want to do like a coating for your customers. With the durability on those, it's what's it called, 1 layer. It's 4 years. If you do, sorry, 3 to 4 years on 1 layer. If you do 2 layers, so you put it on, wait about an hour, come back and redo, put another layer on, you're getting a 5 years on that one. So up here, polished off, and we have another layer of the sauce light on here. I don't know, you might not be able to see it, but this stuff, you lay it on, you can let it sit for up to 30 minutes on a panel. And after, you know, joining the forum, the group that they have on Facebook, and speaking with the owner, Joel, he basically just said, you know, the longer you can let it sit, the better. As you can see, I'm outside, so this is mobile detailer friendly. I do see a lot of guys on the forum baking it with light lamps. I don't have one, so I think a lot of people, what they're saying is, obviously when it gets a little bit warmer out, coat it in the shop, pull it outside when you're done, and then the sun will actually, you know, bake the panel. So let this stuff still set up. It's a little tacky when it first, you know, starts to buff off, but apparently the more tacky it is, the better bond it's going to get on the actual paint. So it's a little different. I mean, I literally put this on and went and cleaned all my stuff up, put polish away, put my pads away and stuff. Everything was starting to get washed because I got a detail on Sunday, 2 cars actually on Sunday. So we'll see how this panel holds up. The other side's doing pretty good. I got this half of the hood with the sauce light on it. That half, like I said before, has has Extreme Solutions. Oh, sorry, no, glassparency's graphene coating on it, and that's doing really well. So we're just testing stuff out, seeing how it works. I mean, I don't want to just put coatings on customers' cars and then, you know, have issues later. I still got my go-tos, Y-Wax and Anyo and CC105. So let's get ready to buff this off and then go from there. Yeah, so it's literally, you literally have to like retrain yourself with this stuff. That's the only thing it's kind of weird so far. It's like it sits on the paint for half an hour. So like if you've been coating a lot of cars, like when I did the glassparency one, it's 2 minutes. You get about 2 minutes in this, at least this temperature, because it's kind of cool out. You can let it sit. Got about 2 minutes, gotta get it off there, because otherwise it's getting really tacky. You may have to come back and polish, but paint feels like there's definitely something on here. I want to see how this does, because I used a primer polish, Optimus primer polish on this, and then put this on. So it didn't sit on naked paint. It had a primer applied first and then put that on top, because that Undrdog stuff definitely has a solvent in it. It kind of smells like whatever solvent is in Y-Waxes, or actually all the coatings, that kind of really aromatic solvent smell. This was when I put this on, it was just what's called naked polish it, and then I did a panel prep and put this on. This is actually, so